Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you my new linoprinting course for beginners, which is now online and available for enrollment. In this course I teach you how to make your own greeting cards based on my cat design. And this is the design you will learn to create. And these are all the lino blocks I have used in the process of making this course. Quite a lot. The course consists of 18 videos. In this course you will learn what tools and paper you will need, how to prepare your lino blocks, how to transfer a design on the lino block, how to use your cutting tools, how to cut out letters and shapes, how to cut the cat design and the phrases, how to test print the lino blocks, and how to print the lino blocks. How to create an alternative version of the cat design. You will also learn how to cut paper without scissors, how to hone your tools, and my own registration method. You will also receive one PDF workbook with links to suppliers, my cat design templates, my letter templates, and my shape template. You will also get access to my private Facebook group where you can ask questions and share your lovely work. I'm a beginner just like you, and I have developed this course based on my own personal experience. I have discovered what works and what doesn't work so well, and I have learned from my mistakes. I don't pretend to know everything and be perfect. Instead, you will actually see me making mistakes and correcting them. I am currently offering this course for £99 and this includes VAT. I have dedicated this course to our cat Bobby. Sadly, she died in September just after I have finished making the course, and she was the inspiration for the design idea. If you are interested in learning the basics of lino cutting and printing and creating your own beautiful cards, then click on the link below, which will lead you to the course sales page. Please feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you for watching. Until next time.